In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to craft a professional portfolio bio tailored to your career goals. I start by asking ChatGPT to be my bio writing assistant and use a specific, buzzword-free tone. The AI responds by providing a structured framework that asks for my achievements and target audience to ensure the bio sounds authentic. Next, I enter my background as a digital marketing professional with a history of significant social media growth. ChatGPT generates both a comprehensive long version and a punchy short version that highlight my expertise and results. I then request 2 more versions specifically for employers and freelance clients. The results include a professional narrative focused on reliability for recruiters and a client-facing version that emphasizes project-based value. Finally, I ask for a refined polish to improve the opening hook and call to action. The final output is a high-impact bio accompanied by a clear explanation of why the specific changes help grab a reader's attention and drive engagement. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.